This is a brief tutorial for Project Muse, a Johns Hopkins University database project focusing on the humanities and social sciences. The home page includes a sampling of the latest offerings on the database for you to browse, in addition to a single search bar for basic searches. If we type Chaucer in the search bar, we find a number of results, none of which are highly targeted. From the results page, we can view, download, or save items that we select. If we add a second term in the filter results column on the left, we narrow the results to a few thousand hits. We can further narrow the search by using click boxes on the left, selecting for publisher, language, content, and publishing dates, for example. Project Muse does not support proximity searches, truncation, or Boolean searches beyond the options available in the search filter area on the left. However, the variety of filter options makes creating a search easy in this database. Project Muse has a help screen, but it is difficult to find and mostly covers the search criteria not supported by this database. For highly targeted research, this database is very useful as it includes a variety of specialty publications not found in other, more wide-ranging databases. So if your topic is in the humanities or social sciences, Project Muse is worth considering.